Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove last seen recently in Telegram. So it's similar process for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you are on any. Simply go and open up your Telegram application. And once you are here, in case of iPhone, you can see the settings at the right bottom corner. In case of Android, you will see three lines at the top left corner. Tap on it and go to settings. So once you are in settings, scroll down a bit and here you can see privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security, and the privacy and security you can see a privacy tab. In here you can see last seen and online. Just tap on it. Now here you can see who can see my last seen, my timestamp. Select nobody, but you need to read this that you won't see last seen or online status for people with whom you don't share yours. So once you are done so, now you have successfully removed the last seen on Telegram. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.